Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today our focus will be on 4 words: where, want, well, why. So let's begin with the first word, where. W-H-E-R-E, where. Where to, where at, where is, from where. Where are the cheese cubes? The corner where the dairy section is. Where did you find that? In the dairy section over there. Where do you live? I live around the corner. Come with me. This is where I live. Where there's a will, there's a way. I went to my friend's house where we got ready for the party. Where are we? Which is this place? Where's my bag? Have you seen it? Where is Copenhagen? It's in Denmark. The next word is want. W-A-N-T, want. Want to, as you want. Want for. Do you want a pair of sunglasses? It's too hot outside. Bian wants a toy car for his birthday. I truly want you to be happy. Why are you late for the class? I want an answer. What do you want to have? Soup or vegetable juice? I want soup. And I want a cup of tea. Where do you want to go? I want to go to SL World. The next word is well. W-E-L-L, well. Very well, get well, sleep well, mix well, well known. What happened? I'm having a sore throat. Add salt to warm water and mix well. Gargle 3 times a day. If you rest well, your body will fight off the diseases well. The children threw pebbles into the deep well. The workers started drilling the oil well. The water in the well was very clear. Amar eats a well-balanced meal. Wash your hands well. The last word is why. W-H-Y, why. Why not? Why? I wonder why. Why would you do that? Why don't you take this water filter instead? This is better than that one. Why did you tear the papers, Kian? Why don't you come inside? Please come. Why aren't you coming? My parents are the reason why I am successful. Jack always finds faults with others. That's why everybody avoids him. Jack always finds fault with others. That's why everybody avoids him. So that's all for today. Meet you in my next lesson. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.